The benefits of lifting weights. Why you should lift weights. Whether you are looking to start an exercise program or are a top-tier athlete, weightlifting will help you in countless ways. When safely practiced, weightlifting will make you physically stronger, help you lose body fat while building muscle mass, challenge your work ethic and motivation, improve athleticism, and tone your muscles, resulting in an aesthetic physique. Consulting a qualified personal trainer will help you to perform all exercises correctly and safely, and can ensure that you have a personal exercise program that is optimal for your success. Weightlifting increases muscular strength. It is common knowledge that the more you correctly lift weights, the stronger you will eventually become. While lifting weights, the body's muscle fibers are damaged and must be repaired. Lifting creates microscopic tears in the fibers that, when repaired by proper nutrition and recovery, make the muscle grow and become stronger. As one continues work in the gym and gains strength, it is important they push their body further than what they were previously comfortable with. In order for continuous muscle growth to occur, one must keep breaking the threshold of the amount of weight they lift. Weightlifting promotes lower body fat levels. The practice of weightlifting does burn a significant amount of calories, but the activities within the body that occur after weightlifting are arguably more critical to body fat reduction. As one builds muscle, it is easier for their body to burn fat. The more muscle mass, the more efficiently the body burns fat. It has been shown that muscle tissue burns calories more effectively than fat tissue does. After an intense lifting session, something called excess post-exercise consumption, EPOC, occurs within the body. After the lifting session, the body requires more oxygen than usual to return the body to its resting state, so the metabolism must work harder to consume more oxygen. This effect can last up to 24-48 hours after a weightlifting session, and boosts the metabolism. Weightlifting strengthens your work ethic. Weightlifting provides a challenge to your work ethic and motivation. However, if you choose to push through the difficulties that come with weightlifting, you will have a stronger work ethic and become a more motivated person. This strength applies not only to the difficulties faced in weightlifting, but also to all other aspects of life, such as work, college, and family matters. There are going to be days where going to the gym feels like the most difficult thing you could do, or you have to channel all of your strength into pushing out that last heavy rep. It is how you perform in these times that will strengthen you as a person. There are a lot of things you can learn about yourself by persevering in the gym and pushing yourself to your physical limits. Not only will lifting weights bring you physical strength, it will also strengthen your inner self. Weightlifting creates an aesthetic physique. Lifting weights is arguably the best way to obtain the physique you wish for. It is a way to sculpt your body to fit your personal idea of attractiveness. By decreasing body fat and improving muscle mass and tone, it is the key to an attractive, strong body. In fact, bodybuilding competitions are all about showcasing how competitors have built and sculpted their physiques. If you feel your shoulders are not big enough to complement your frame, or your lat muscles aren't wide enough to make your waist look smaller, you can focus on these body parts. Weightlifting is like an art in which your body is the masterpiece that you are sculpting every day. Improves mood and energy levels. If you find yourself fighting depression or feel like you are in a slump, weightlifting may be a cure. When you exercise, your body releases hormones called endorphins that elevate the mood. This causes the body to associate working out with feeling good, and makes the workout feel worth it. The continuous release of endorphins helps to fight against depression. The feelings of accomplishment and success after solid workouts bring people joy and satisfaction in themselves. The feeling of success can really alter one's self-image and mood for the better. Heightens athletic performance. Lifting weights creates stronger, more agile, and faster athletes who are less susceptible to injuries than athletes who do not lift weights. Obviously, by continuously lifting weights and recovering properly, your muscles will grow and become stronger. This is important to many athletes who rely a great deal on strength for success in their sports. such as a wrestler who must be strong enough to overcome their opponent. Strength training can greatly increase an athlete's agility and speed. For example, having a strong squat or practicing heavy lunges can aid explosiveness. Explosiveness increases speed, which is important for sprinters and football players, for example. Improved strength reduces the risks of injuries in athletes. Having solid core and full body strength helps to ensure that athletes perform movements correctly, and muscular strength decreases the chances of a tendon or ligament being strained during movement. Weightlifting also teaches the mind-muscle connection, which, when learned properly, can ensure the athlete uses the correct muscles to perform activities.